Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. So today my challenge is whether or not a natural gas teapot, the water boils faster than an electric pot. So we got this new, so we're going to do the challenge and find out which one actually boils faster, okay? So, and I have my timer. So, ready, and I'm turning on the stove. There we go. So we're gonna see which one.
Oh, and we filled it with the same amount of water.
Yeah. So whatever water we put in here, which was
1.7
liters, we actually put in our pot. So they both had the same amount of water. So you can hear it working. An electric one.
This one shuts off. The blue light will go away when it's ready.
Alright, so we're at 38 seconds. And you can kind of hear our gas one. You can hear it kind of making some action. So I'm curious as to see exactly how long it takes for the electric one to actually boil, because I know the natural gas, when you do it on your stove, it takes quite a while. I know it takes 3 or 4 minutes. So alright, so we're at 1 minute and 10 seconds, so let's keep watching here. Not sure what's happening over here, but curious. It's getting warm. Not even getting warm yet, so we're at 1 minute and 39 seconds. See anything happening there? You can definitely hear the natural gas from the metal heating up. So yeah, alright, so we're at 2 minutes and 6 seconds. It's definitely over 2 minutes that the electric pot heats up. Now I know if you and like last night we made tea and we actually had a second cup and we turned it back on, the water that was in there, it heated up a lot faster if it was already heated up the first time, so it didn't really lose any. Alright, so this pot is still heating up, and we're at 2 minutes and 49 seconds. The electric, I'm not really seeing anything. I don't hear anything. It's kind of quiet. Alright, we're at 3:05. Still can hear it boiling in there. Electric, not so much. I'm not seeing any action. So they say that the electric teapots are supposed to be more efficient because it uses less energy. And that's why I really wanted to do this challenge. So yeah, still can hear it right here, and we're at 3:48. Nothing on the electric side yet. Oh, I'm seeing some bubbles. Did you see it? Did you guys see those couple bubbles? Alright, we're at 4 minutes. Way longer than I thought it was going to take. 4:10. Still can hear the pot boiling. And we put cold water in both as well. And they both have the 1.7 liter We're at 4:30. Yeah. Still can hear the pot boil. Starting to boil. Anything on the electric? Don't see any bubbles in the window. It's getting warm, but I don't necessarily, no boiling there, but I think it's hotter. Wow, we're at 5:15. Still nothing on the, I mean, you can hear it starting to rev up. The electric one, we're at 5:30. And it's getting warm. You can feel it inside of the pot. But I have a feeling that our conventional is going to be a lot warmer. Alright guys, so we're at 6:24 and you can see that our natural gas one is done. So that one is off. So that one took like 6:24 and our electric pot is just now starting to boil and it is 6:40. See the bubbles in it? Yeah. When our natural gas already heated up. So now you can hear our electric pot. And it is 7 minutes. She is boiling. Wow. So we're at 7:20. Yeah, she's hot. 7:30. $7.50. Wow, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. That's crazy. So 8:20. $8:30. So we know she already lost. So about the rolling boil, the same as the tea kettle. Let's just stop it. So 8:40, we've seen bubbles, we know it's hot. Let's take a look inside. Yeah, so it has the same steam that a teapot has, or the natural gas one has now. So that our natural gas is definitely the winner. 6 minutes and 20 seconds for the steam to start coming out of the spout. And this one, about, what was it? You say, probably a little bit less than that. 8 something. Yeah. So definitely conventional gas is the winner. Thanks for watching, guys.